Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose Display, click on Brightness Level and tap on the switcher next to Automatic Brightness feature. As you can see, Adaptive Brightness is now on. In order to turn it off, click on the same switcher. But you can also go into Tab menu and click on this A icon next to brightness slider. If it's white, that means that auto brightness is on. In order to turn it off, click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!